If your tiramisu dreams are crushed by the lack of mascarpone, you're in for a delightful surprise. Let's make a delicious tiramisu with simple ingredients you already have at home. First, grab some cream cheese as a substitute. It's smooth and creamy, perfect for our tiramisu. Whip it together with some heavy cream, sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. You're aiming for a fluffy, luscious mix. Now brew a strong cup of coffee. You'll want those lady fingers to soak up all that rich flavor. Dip each lady finger into the coffee and layer them in your dish. Then spread a generous amount of your cream cheese mixture on top. Repeat the layers until you reach the top of your dish. Finally, dust with cocoa powder for that classic tiramisu finish. Pop it in the fridge to set for a few hours. And voila! You've got a tiramisu that's creamy, dreamy, and mascarpone free. Enjoy your homemade delight. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more easy recipes.